So we'll continue with grep. Okay, so grep order, we'll see grep's options. What are the different options that are available? Grep, we have seen -v, which is to negate. There's something called as, say for example, my file has like this. Okay, va my grep file. Okay, so my file has Arul. Okay, so if I search grep Arul in my grep file, it will not display anything because Linux is case sensitive. Okay, so I don't want to search it in a case sensitive manner. I want to ignore my case. So what happens now? It will search for every word regardless of its case. Okay, so now this is getting displayed because I have put -i. Okay, so I say for example this is a very huge file and I need to know the number in which this is getting matched. So I will put n, which will give me the exact line in which I have this keyword. So -n says that this is matched on a line which number is 5. Okay, I can also put other keywords like -a. Say for example I put -A and put a number 2. Okay, what it will do is it will print the next 2 lines, that is, see, it goes to find a match, and then if I put A2, it will print the next 2 lines in the file.
Okay.
Now I don't have anything, I have 2 hashes, so that is getting printed. If I put -b, it will print the previous 2 lines. So this was the match,
Okay.
and these were the previous 2 lines on that file. So
A is a below 2 line, B is a previous 2 line.
yeah, so I can search for the above below 2 lines, the next 2 lines are the previous 2 lines. Okay, so these are few options that are available in your grep. Okay, apart from that, there are many other options available. You can see that using your man command. Okay, so you can use the man command to search for many other options that are available on your grep. Okay,
Man grep.
yeah, man space grep. So now we will continue to sed. Okay, sed is a stream editing tool. Okay, so actually sed tool, stream text editing tool. Okay, so actually sed was designed to absorb a stream of content and then edit it and show it to the standard output. So but nowadays we can use sed even to work with a file, but it is not going to make any change on this file that it is working on. It is going to only show you on the standard out. Okay, so what sed does is it opens a file, takes the content as a stream to it, and then edits it and sends an output to the standard out, but the actual content on the file remains the same thing. Okay, so now the standard syntax is sed followed by a key. For example, there are many key. The generic key I am going to show you is yes. Okay, S is for searching a string, and then a delimiter. In 99% of cases, we will use this as the delimiter, the slash as delimiter, and then followed by a search string. Okay, and then a delimiter, and then you put a replace string. Okay, and then you close it. This is going to be the generic syntax and the file name. Okay, so I'll show you this. Sed, you need to put -e to execute. Okay, so -e in double quotes. Yes, I am searching for nag, and I am replacing it with nag, capital N. Okay, and then I am putting my file name. What is the file name? My grep file. So so what happens here? This Nagendra is changed to capital N, but the actual file still remains same. Okay, the content of the actual file still remains same, only the standard out it has changed. Okay, the set will not change the content of a file, but it will read a file and redirect it to the standard out with a changed content.
Originality will not happen.
Will not change. Okay, the original file will not change. There are many other options. See, I will go to this my grep file. Okay, so now I say said Nagendra, okay, anything, and then I am changing it a new word, Arul. Okay, so if you see my output, it says, and Arul is a good student, but this Nagendra did not change. It is still showing the same old Nagendra. Why? Is because this is how set works. Set takes each of your line as input
Okay.
and will try to find this keyword,
Okay.
and once the keyword is matched, if a keyword is not matched, the line is skipped.
Okay.
They'll skip the line. But when a keyword is matched, the first time it matches the keyword, it replaces it
Okay.
and thinks that the work is done, and it goes to the next line, searching for the keyword again.
What about the line, sir?
Yeah, the next keyword that is in the same line, it will not see it because it believes that its work has been completed at this point.
Okay.
So to make sure, to say your said that you need to search for all the keywords,
Okay.
entire line, you say G. When you put G, it will search all the changes, all the keywords, and it will say change it. Okay, so you see the difference, right? Here only Arul on the first occurrence changed, the second occurrence did not do anything. Here both the keywords have been changed because we used a option called as G. Okay, so sed is a standard stream editing tool. It can take input and then change it and show it to your standard out, but the actual file still remains same.
G means what is it, sir? G?
G means global.
Global.
The entire global line it is taking.
Only it's taking the only line or second line it will take the
No,
second
no,
line?
see, that is the main thing that many of people misunderstand. See, what set is going to do is, it is going to take each line one by one. Okay, so first it will take this line,
Okay.
search for the keyword Nagendra.
Okay.
It will not see Nagendra here. So it goes to the next line.
Okay.
It search for Nagendra. No, it will search for Nagendra.
Okay.
So if I have not put this G here, what happens is, it believes this line's work is done, it will go to the next line.
Okay.
It will search for Nagendra here.
Okay.
If I put G, even after finding this, it will continue to this line to see if there is one more Nagendra here.
Okay.
So once it sees that, again it will continue to see if